My name is Tendai Gwaravaza. I'm an artist. I work in Chitungwiza Art Center. That is my place where I practice my art. Currently, I'm the secretary of Chitungwiza Art Center. It all began long back when I was still growing up. I grew up under the guidance of my grandma, who was a potter and a storyteller. And also surrounding areas, there was also some people who were doing some art, some pira making and all other stuff. Seeing all sorts of things happening, that is when I began to be interested in art. And also my father, also being an artist as well, is a sculptor. He does sculpting. He specializes mainly in figures, human figures, and other types of art as well. Then when I was still at school, he then introduced me to stone sculpting. And I started working on some other small pieces of art. And also, surprisingly, I don't know what happened. People began to get interested in my art. They started buying some sort of stuff when I was still at school. That time I was in Form 2, and I was beginning to get some orders. And my father also was not happy about it, because it was something that was also disturbing my work at school. So he was sort of discouraging me to doing it. But then after that, he just saw that this guy has got talent. Then I proceeded doing it after my O levels, and I didn't proceed with the school to A level, not because I failed, but because I just wanted to do art. I then went to Chitungwiza Art Center. That was in 2001. That is when I started doing it, like I now call it professionally. I did so many sculptures, some in leopard rock, some in dolomite, some in the other serpentine stones that we call cobalt. And I was into abstracts. That was the main thing that I was enjoying making, because I didn't want the sculptures that really were very similar to other people. So I was maybe trying to be very different. And also at that time also, that's when I began to do some seashells. I really enjoyed making them, because at that time there were not many people who were doing them, and also by the types of stone that I was working on also, they will really come out very nice out of them. And I also then began some experimental works, and recently I did a sculpture which was shown at the National Gallery annual exhibition. It was called Blood Relatives. I also had a very big sculpture there made out of wood skulls, a very large sculpture about 2.5 meters high, made out of 27 skulls of wood. And it was really a sculpture that was really one of my best, if I would like to say. And also I'm planning also to make some other experimental sculptures or art pieces that I'll be doing in the near future.